Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps on how to generate the Conversions API access token. Let's get started. But first, what exactly is the Conversions API access token? The Conversions API access token enables businesses to securely transmit event data to Facebook without relying on tracking pixels. Functioning as a key for data transmission, it's generated within Facebook Business Manager. Safeguarding this token is essential for data protection and ensuring authorized access. Essentially, it empowers businesses to track and enhance ad campaigns with unparalleled accuracy. To generate your Conversions API access token, follow these simple steps. First, go to business.facebook.com. Click All Tools in the sidebar and navigate to Events Manager. Choose the business account where you want to set up the Conversions API. Go to Data Sources. Please note that if you don't have a data source yet, simply scan the QR code provided on your screen to access our guide on how to create a pixel. Choose the data source where you want to set up Conversions API. On the Overview page, find the Setup Conversions API button and click it. Next, select Setup Manually, then click Next. On the Conversions API Setup Overview, click Continue. Select at least one additional event by clicking the drop-down and checking any event in the list. You can choose the View Content event. Once done, click Continue. Select at least one event detail parameter and one customer information parameter. You can choose the following parameters. For event detail parameters, select Event ID. For customer information parameters, select client IP address. Do not hash. Once done, click Continue. Confirm the setup on the Review Setup page. Finish the setup on the See Instruction page. Please note that if you don't want to receive personalized instructions in your email, you can uncheck the box under Send Instructions. Once the setup is complete, you should see the Generate Access Token link on the Overview page of the data source. If you don't see this, try reloading the page. Click the Generate Access Token link and copy the generated access token by clicking the box. Now, paste this access token into your ChatGenie dashboard. Go to the General Store Manager. Select the In-App Store settings. Find the Meta Conversions API access token field and paste the access token. Then click Save. Once configured correctly, you can effectively optimize and elevate your Facebook ad campaigns with unparalleled precision. If you need any assistance or have any concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay informed by checking our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.